Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready for our bus trip?
Yes, I am.
Let's leave now.
Sounds great.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
I feel excited today.
Me too.
It's a beautiful morning.
It really is.
Is the bus stop far?
No, it's nearby.
That's good.
We'll be there soon.
Let's keep walking.
Okay.
Do you travel by bus often?
Sometimes I do.
I enjoy bus rides.
So do I.
They're relaxing.
I agree.
Look, there's the bus stop.
We arrived quickly.
Let's wait here.
Sure.
The bus should arrive soon.
I hope so.
How many minutes are left?
About 5 minutes.
That's not long.
No, it isn't.
We are on time.
Yes, we are.
Is this the correct bus?
Yes, it is.
That's great.
We're ready.
I'm excited.
Me too.
I can see the bus.
It's finally here.
Let's get ready.
Okay.
Don't forget your backpack.
I won't.
Please stand behind me.
Okay.
2 tickets, please. Certainly.
Here is the payment.
Thank you. Here are our tickets.
Great.
I see 2 empty seats.
They're together.
Perfect.
Let's sit there.
Good idea.
Come on.
This seat is comfortable.
Yes, it is.
I like sitting by the window.
Me too.
The view is beautiful.
I agree.
The trip has started.
Yes, it has.
I'm really enjoying this ride.
So am I.
This is going to be fun.
Absolutely.
The city is very busy.
Yes, it is.
I like watching the traffic.
It's interesting.
Every street looks different.
I think so too.
Look at the park.
It's beautiful.
We should visit it someday.
That's a great idea.
It looks peaceful.
I agree.
More people are getting on.
Yes, they are.
The bus is getting busy.
That's normal.
It's still comfortable.
Yes.
How many stops are left?
I think 4.
That's not far.
We'll arrive soon.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too.
There are many people here.
Yes, it's crowded.
This area looks lively.
It really does.
I like this city.
So do I.
What are you looking at?
The shopping street.
It looks nice.
There are many stores.
We can visit another day.
Good idea.
Why did the bus stop?
The light is red.
Oh, I see.
We'll move soon.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
We're moving again.
Yes,
The ride is very smooth.
I agree.
I'm enjoying every minute.
Me too. Next stop is Pine Street.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Was that our stop?
Not yet.
Good. We still have time. Which stop is ours?
Maple Bus Terminal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll get ready soon.
Yes.
We are almost there.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Me too.
This trip is fun.
Absolutely. Next stop is Maple Bus Terminal. This is our stop.
Let's get ready.
I'll carry my backpack.
Mine is ready too. Let's stand up.
Okay,
Hold the rail.
I am.
The bus is slowing down.
Yes.
We'll get off soon.
Great.
Here we are.
Finally.
Thank you,
After you-
driver. You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Let's explore the terminal.
Sounds good.
This terminal is very nice.
Yes, it is.
It's also very clean.
I like it.
Me too.
Let's look around.
Can you read the map?
Yes, I can.
Where is the exit?
It's straight ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Follow this sign.
Okay,
We're going the right way.
that's good.
The exit is close. Excuse me, yes? Where is the main exit? Turn left and walk straight. Thank you.
The officer was helpful.
Yes, he was.
The exit is over there.
I can see it.
Let's go.
Sure.
We're outside now.
Yes,
The weather is beautiful.
it really is.
Let's keep walking.
Okay.
This city feels friendly.
I think so too.
Everyone looks happy.
Yes,
I like this place.
me too.
Let's wait here.
Okay.
The light is red. We'll cross soon. Safety comes first.
Absolutely.
We're back in our neighborhood.
It feels nice.
Home is close. Yes, I'm happy.
Me too.
I enjoyed today.
So did I.
The bus ride was fun.
It really was.
We learned a lot.
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Riding the bus.
Mine too. It was comfortable and relaxing.
Definitely.
Let's travel again.
I'd love to.
Maybe next weekend.
Sounds perfect.
I'll plan it.
Great.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
Take care.
See you soon.